The Sultanate is hosting the International Society for the Prevention of Child Abuse and Neglect in cooperation with the Ministry of Social Development, Sultan Qaboos University Children First Association and the United Nations Children Fund in Oman. I was present there and I have this report. Over 1 billion children worldwide experience violence annually. Violence against children is never acceptable and can be brought to an end. Hence, more needs to be done, better and faster to protect children worldwide from all forms of violence. Around 400 experts, professionals and high-level officials from over 35 different countries around the world are attending the 2019 ISPCAN International Conference organized for the first time in the Sultanate.
We're very proud to host such an international important conference here in Oman, the 6th Arab International ISPCAN conference. We're proud to have it, especially within Muscat. And of course, as you know, the theme is protecting children from any sort of negligence and violence. The role of Sultan Qaboos University as one of the main organizing committee, scientific committee as well as Children First Association, which also participated in it, and Ministry of Social Development and the UNICEF. So we all work together in hosting it. We hope it will breed a lot of good results, which we can take and apply into force, especially that there are 227 scientific papers that will be discussed here.
The international platform will allow 400 eminent experts, policymakers, researchers and practitioners from over 35 countries to share their wealth of knowledge and experiences at the national, regional and international levels in the field of child rights and child protection, promoting evidence-based practices in preventing and responding to child maltreatment.
Well, child abuse is an international phenomenon, and it does not escape Oman or the Arabic region. And we're all learning and challenged by the issues to protect children. And so this is a wonderful conference that brings all of us together from many disciplines. You know, as child abuse is a complex puzzle, and we each have a responsibility to know our piece of puzzle, whether it's child protection, law enforcement, mental health, medicine, and working collaboratively to understand the needs of children, protect them, and ultimately make sure that those children who have experienced maltreatment get the services that they need so they can have healthy and future productive childhoods.
Many protection themes will be addressed during the conference, ranging from violence against children, child abuse, cyberbullying, domestic violence and its impact on the well-being of the child, legislation, successful initiatives addressing child violence.
I'm so delighted to be here in Oman. Oman is certainly going to lead the war against abuse and neglect of children from the Arab region and Asia and Pacific. Now, I come from New Delhi, India, and I see millions of children. And I'm sure Oman has also got the similar kind of problems with their children needing care and protection. So this conference, which is a gathering of experts, multidisciplinary from all over the world, is truly an international congress. I'm very, very proud and delighted, and congratulations to Oman for bringing it together.
In a world dominated by conflicts and violence, UNICEF will also introduce during the closing ceremony a new dimension to child protection by evidencing the power of music as a healing agent. The famous composer and musician Jad Rahbani will present with Omani children also, and on the occasion of the 30th anniversary of the CRC, the Sultanate of Oman will launch the Child Protection Ambassadors Program.
Child abuse, as Martin said, is a global phenomenon. Millions of children are abused and neglected. And for that, we have to start right from the parents, the first systems of protecting children. We have to empower the families to protect, next to their proximate communities where these children live. We have to protect children in all the spaces, such as schools, such as wherever they go. And we have to make safe spaces for children. It's extremely important that children need just not health or development, they need protection. because none of the goals of child health will be met till all children are protected.
The protection of children from all forms of violence is a fundamental right that cannot be taken lightly, a right that encapsulates the Convention on the Right of the Child. Oman takes its obligations under the different UN conventions related to women and children seriously, especially in regards to the implementation and monitoring of the Convention on the Rights of the Child.